Dear student, listen carefully. The day number 7, complex number. The last class for complex numbers. We are going to discuss about the complex numbers with a geometrical representation. How to represent the geometrical conditions. Exercise 1D. Write a first bit, second problem. Exercise 1D, first bit, second problem. Find the equation of a straight line. 1D, first bit, second problem. Find the equation of a straight line. Find the equation of a straight line. Straight line. Joining the points minus 9 plus 6i and 11 minus 4i. 11 minus 4i in the plane. Solution, listen carefully. What you are asking? Find the equation of the straight line joining the points of 2 points is given. This is geometrical representation means find the geometrical equations. What is that? Lines. Find the equation of the straight line. For example, what is the first point solution? They give 9 minus 9 plus 6i is equal to 9 comma 6, and second point is 11 minus 4i is equal to 11 comma minus 4. What is the first point here? First one here x1 comma y1, and second one here x2 comma y2. Second one here x2 comma y2. What is the equation here? Y minus y1 is equal to formula m into x minus x1 already we know. What is taken the equation? Y minus y1 is equal m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 value, what is y1 value? x1 y1, x2 y2. Substitute the total value. y1 value here 6. What is the m value formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 already we know. x2 minus x1. x1 means here minus 9. y minus 6 is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 means minus y2 minus y1 minus 6 by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 means 11 minus 9 is equal to x minus 9. Now here y minus 6 is equal to minus 10 by here 2 into x minus 9. 1 the 5. That is equal to y minus 6 is equal to minus 5 into x minus 9. That is equal to y minus 6 is equal to minus 5x plus 45. Total equation in a positive side here 5x plus y 39 is equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line of minus 9 plus 6i comma 11 minus 4i. Second bit, first problem. Second bit, first problem. Find the equation of z minus 2 minus 3i is equal to 5. Z minus 2 minus 3i is equal to 5. Write a straight line equation, geometrical condition, parabola. What is the find the equation of the locus. What is given? Plane describe the geometrical of the locus. What is the locus here? First of all, consider solution is z is equal to x plus iy. Need out z is equal to x plus iy. So here x plus iy minus 2 minus 3i is equal to here 5. What is the real part here? Real part here x minus 2 plus I into imaginary part is y minus 3 is equal to 5. Once again I will repeat here. Z minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 5. Find the locus equation. So locus means each and every geometrical condition is a locus. So in place of z is equal to substitute x plus iy. So z is equal to x plus iy minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 5. What is the real part? Real part is x minus 2. Imaginary part is y minus 3. Mod. Mod means under root of real part square. Imaginary part square. Mod means x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 5. Now squaring on both sides we get a square means x square, b square means 4 minus 4x plus a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 25. What is the locus equation now? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. 9 plus 4 13. 13 minus 25 means minus 12 equal to 0 is the locus of the given problem. What is the problem here? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Next one. Imaginary of z square is equal to 4. Third problem. Imaginary of z square is equal to 4. What is given condition? Find the equation of locus equation of imaginary of z square is equal to 4. First of all, what is the z value? Let us consider z is equal to x plus iy. What is the imaginary value? Imaginary of z is equal to only y. Real part is x. Imaginary part is y. Imaginary of z square means y square. Answer is y square is equal to 4. What is the answer? General solution is y square is equal to 4 is the answer. Next one, fourth one is important. This is fourth one. Arc of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equal to pi by 4. Arc of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equal to pi by 4. Arc means already we know conditions. Arc means arc theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. But what is given? Theta is equal to pi by 4 is given. Therefore indirectly tan theta is equal to y by x. Tan theta is equal to y by x. Put theta is equal to 45. Tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is equal to y by x. So 1 is equal to y by x. Therefore x is equal to y. Indirectly real part is equal to imaginary part. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Already we know node. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Real part is equal to imaginary part. Theta is equal to 90. Real part is equal to real part is greater than 0. Imaginary part is equal to 0. Already we know condition. Now here arc of z minus 1 by z plus 1. Now z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equal to z means x plus I by minus 1 by x plus I by plus 1. What is the real part here? Got the problem here. What is the real part? X minus 1 is the real part, I by is the imaginary part. X plus 1 is the real part, I by is the imaginary part. Now here, in a complex number, numerator by denominator is there. We have to rationalization the only denominator. What is there? X minus 1 plus I by x plus 1 into I by into x plus 1 minus I by x plus 1 minus I by. To rationalization with a denominator, numerator by denominator is there. We have to rationalization with only denominator. Now what is the value here? X minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1 plus minus I into y into x minus 1 plus I into y into x plus 1. Now I into x square means plus y square by what is the value? A plus b into a minus b square plus b square means here x plus 1 whole square plus y square. Now here, what is the real part? Real part means here x minus 1 into x plus 1. Imaginary part here plus I is common, we get y of x plus 1 minus y of x minus 1 by what is the value? X separate here. Separation by x plus 1 whole square plus y square by x plus 1 whole square plus y square. This one is a real part, this one is a imaginary part. But given condition, what is given? But arc z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equal to pi by 4. Then real is equal imaginary. Then real is equal imaginary. What is the real part? Real part is first one, imaginary part is second one. Both are equal. What is the real part here? X minus 1 into x plus 1, x minus 1 into x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to y of x plus 1 minus y of x minus 1 by x square plus y plus 1 whole square, both are equal means cancel. Now simplification, we get here a square minus b square is equal to here. What is the value? xy plus y minus xy minus y. xy get cancelled, minus of here y minus 1 means here plus y. Only xy get cancelled. X square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 of the given equation. Let's start problem, important problem. Show that the points in the organ diagram, show that the points show that the points 2 plus 2i comma minus 2 minus 2i comma 2 root 3 plus I 2 root 3 or vertices of the equilateral triangle, or the points are points of equilateral triangle are the points of equilateral triangle. To show that, what we show, given three points are equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means first of all sides are equal. General solution here. What is the solution of given problem? Solution is, what is the first point here? 2 plus 2i is equal. What is the A point? A is equal to comma 2. Real part plus imaginary. What is the B value? B value is minus 2 comma minus 2 means that is equal to minus 2 comma minus 2 is the B point. What is the C point? C point here 2 root 3 plus I into 2 root 3 can be written as 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. I need of just only here 2 plus 2 means 2 comma 2. Minus 2 minus 2 means minus 2 comma minus 2. 2 root 3 plus I root 2 root means 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now general diagram. What is the diagram here? So this one is a point. This one is a B point. This one. What is the A point formula? What is the A point here? 2 comma 2. What is the B point? -2 comma -2. What is the C point? C point here 2 root 3 comma 2 root 3. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal means find the AB value distance, find the BC distance, find the CA distance. AB means under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. X2 minus x1 means here this one is x1 y1, x2 y2. X2 plus x1 means 2 plus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 2 plus 2 whole square. 2 plus 2 whole square means here 4 square value is 16. Here also 4 square value is 16. Total here AB square is equal, that is equal root of 32. Root of 32. Similarly, BC also we get root 32. CA also we get root 32. Find the B to C distance, BC distance and similarly CA distance. All sides are equal. First one AB equal to 32. Second one BC is equal to 32. CA is equal to 32. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Given points are equilateral triangle. Given points are frame a equilateral triangle. Next one, second problem. To show that second problem. To show that 2 plus I 4 plus 3I 2 plus 5I 2 plus 5I comma 3R vertices of a square. Vertices of a square. Vertices of a square. So square means all sides are equal. For example, first one A is equal to 2 plus I means 2 comma. What is the B point here? B point here 4 plus 3I, that is equal 4 comma 3. What is the C point here? C point here 2 plus 5I, 2 comma 5. What is the D point? D point is 3I. 3I means 0 comma 3 are the 4 points. A, B, C, D. Square means all sides are equal. All means A, B, C, D. What is A point here? A point here 2 comma 1. B point here 4 comma 3. What is the C point? C point here 2 comma 5. What is the D point? D point is 0 comma 3. D point is 0. Find the all sides. All sides means AB, BC, CD and DA. Distance of AB is equal distance of BC. Find the distance of AB. Next one BC. Next one CD. Next one is DA. Distance of AB. Last problem. Distance of AB, BC, CD and DA. What is the distance of AB? Find the AB means A to B under root of x2 minus x1 whole square 1 minus 3 whole square. Y2 minus y1 whole square means y4 minus 2 whole square. 2 minus 4 and 4 minus 2 whole square is equal to, we get under root of here 4 plus 4 is equal to root 8. What is the value of AB? AB is equal to root 8. Similarly, BC also root 8 and CD also root 8 and AD also root 8. All sides are equal. All sides are equal means given points are frame a square. Given points are frame a square. Similarly, diagonals also equal. The length of the diagonals is also equal. Means here length of diagonal means AC and BD. Similarly, find the distance of AC. We get AC distance is equal to 16 root 16 and BD distance also root 16. So all sides are equal and two diagonals are equal and the given points are form a square. Okay, bye, see you tomorrow.